Before we start configuring Maven to Eclipse, first let's check whether our system has already installed with Maven or not. In terminal, we'll type mbn:\version. So as Maven is not available in our machine, it is showing Maven is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to install Maven, we'll go to the browser. In browser, we'll search for download Apache Maven. Through the first link from Apache, we'll check for the binary zip archive file. As we are using Windows, we'll download this one. So our download is done. Now we can see a zip file has been downloaded. Now let's extract the zip file. To extract this zip file, we'll choose a specific path location, which will be our program files. So to go to program files, we'll go inside of C. Under C, program files. Here we'll extract this. It will ask for a admin access. So if your admin is locked, you can give your system password. For me, it is open, so we can click on continue. Now the extraction is done. We can see the Apache Maven file is showing up and even all the folders. We'll check bin, as all the files are showing up in the bin as well. So we'll copy the bin path. Now to set the environment variable for this bin, we'll search for environment variable settings. Under this, we'll click on environment variable and we'll click on the path and we'll edit the path. Under path, we'll create a new one and we'll paste the path for bin. Now let's click on OK. Now to reconfirm this, we'll go back to terminal once again and we'll check with the same command mbn:\version. Let's see the version is showing up or not. Great. We can see the version which we have downloaded. Thanks for watching.